Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the new Ariel in her human form. So let's get started. To draw this new Ariel in her dress, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. Move two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now the eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. So just come right here on the sides. Just add maybe 2 curves. And same thing here. There. Or maybe 1 more. Just spruce it up a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come to the top about right here. And I'm just going to draw a slight angle line for her brow. Right over her eye. So same thing on the other side, about right there. Just a slight angle right over her eye. There. Now let's give her a sweet smile. So in between her eyes, about right here. I'm gonna come right here and draw a soft curve and bring it up and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, really close her lashes, give myself a point. Same thing here. And I'm going to draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to bring this down around her eye. And I'm just imagining how far I want to bring this. So let's say about right here is my center. I'll just give myself a point about right there. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Make it a little bit pointier towards that dot. And then same thing here. There. So we framed her face in. Then let's see here. She's wearing a hairband. So I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more towards her brows. And then I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So I'm going to round this off. So imagine kind of like her forehead would be about right here. And connect. There. Now that we have that, let's continue this curve down just a little bit. On both sides. We just want to be able to tuck her ear in. So in this space you've created, we're just going to go ahead and just draw a curve. Just for a small indication of her ear. Then let's bring this up. We're going to loop it around, bring this up at an angle. Same thing here. And we're just going to go up. So about right here, we're just going to go up. Towards the top, about right here, towards my center, and then we're going to bring it down. To create her hairband. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go up a little bit more. So find your center, go up just a little bit, and we're just going to go up on both sides. Up, and we're just going to come around for the top of her hair, really close to the hairband. And let's say about right here as we come down, we start to wiggle it. She has curly hair, lots of strands. So same thing here, really close to the hairband. And as we come down, you start to wobble. There. Okay, so let's finish her dress before we finish all of that. Then let's come back to the center. We'll give her a little neck right here. And I'm going to curve down, and we're going to create her shoulders. And let's bring it down. So for her dress, there's this top part that covers her shoulders. So I'm going to bring this down as if I'm drawing her shoulders, but then I'm going to kind of just extend it out, just flare it out. So let's come back and about right here. I'm going to draw a curve for her neckline for her dress. And then there's another layer to it. So I'm just going to thicken it up. And then finally, the part that we extended out, let's make sure it's about the same level. Okay, so now that we're about the same level, I'm gonna go ahead and just wobble my way across. So let's go all the way across. And connect. There. So now that I'm looking at it, I've actually messed up my curve. I should have brought this down a little bit more. Okay, now I really made a mess. Okay, but the idea is that we want to create this curve that goes up, following that curve. Oh my goodness. Okay, I promise I will go in there and fix this a little bit later. Okay, then from there, we're just kind of imagining this is covering, and her armpit area would be her arms, so about right about here. Just gonna go ahead and draw an angle line for where her armpit area would be, her body. So we're just going to draw a little angle line for her waist to about right there. And then I'm going to go out. So her dress has this little bodice part. So about right there, I'm going to find my center. So let's come down and angle towards the center. We're going to go up towards the center and then do the same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, let's come back about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve across. And then we're going to create a detail right here in the center. Draw a line down. And then two of these are just going to angle and then angle out. Just following her waist, down and out, and out. There. So now we've created that. Let's pop out her skirt. Nice and poofy. And let's bring it down. There. And let's bring it down more. So take a look, see how far you want to bring it into about right there. So same thing on the other side. You're going to bring it down to the same length. And then from there, we're just going to wobble our way across a bunch of curves. And connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs since we're down here. So this is my center, about right here. I'm just going to come out and here. So I just kind of know where my leg should go. And from there, I'm going to draw a slight angle line. And this part is going to angle in. So only seeing a little bit of her feet. Her legs, I mean. So angle down And about right here, I'm just going to flare it out and connect. So same thing here, just slight angle. And then just aim towards her ankle. This is going to come out, and we're going to do the same thing. Just flare it out, round it off, and connect. There. And I believe she's wearing like sandals, right? So hopefully I'm not wrong, but I'm going to give it a little curve right here for sole. And I'm just going to simplify this. Just that curve, a line right here, and then an indication of her toes. So same thing here. The sole on the foot, and strap right here, and big toe and 2 little toes. So that's pretty much it for the feet. Then let's come back and let's draw the arms. So we're gonna kind of use this part right here so we don't have to draw too many details. Imagine shoulders coming down and about right here. Let's draw a line, and she has these really poofy sleeves, so I'm just going to come right here and cut it off and bring this down, so kind of like an angle. And we want her hands to be about right here, so to about right here. I'm going to break it up, wobble a little bit, and then come in once again for the sleeve, connect it, and there's like a little ruffle right there, and then her hands. So we're just going to simplify it and just bring it in. And you can come in here with some curves for some detail. So same thing on the other side. So imagine her shoulders coming down right here, and just cut it off, poof this part out, so just want to make sure about the same on the other side, about right here, wobble. And then once again, come in, little ruffle, and then the hands right there. Okay, so hopefully this will really help you with that. And then for the skirt part, let's see here. You can come in here and just add a bunch of these crease lines. You can do this when you're coloring if you want these harsh black lines. But it's just a very roughly skirt, right? And so let's draw some. I'm just going to come about right here. And break it up. So I'm just going to follow whatever curve I drew. And one more here. And one more. So I'm just curving it all the way across. There. Okay, and then let's finish her hair. So let's come down. Now we're just going to wobble and tuck it in, because it's complicated enough already, right? And then you can come back in here if you like. Just draw some more wobbles. Just indication of her hair. But that is pretty much it. And I'll fix this boo-boo I made right here, but you just want to create this ruffle following this curve. And I'll come in here and give her a heart necklace right here to make her my Draw So Cute new Ariel from the live action Little Mermaid movie. I really hope you love how she turned out. I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.